Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free trials through partnered mobile apps and cross-promotional offers, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download popular mobile apps that frequently partner with other services, such as ride-sharing apps, food delivery platforms, payment apps, or mobile games. Step 2. Complete the initial setup and registration for the primary app. Make sure to verify your account through email or phone number as required. Step 3. Navigate to the Offers, Rewards, Benefits, or Partners section within the app. This is typically accessible through a menu icon or dedicated tab. Step 4. Browse through the available partner offers to find free trial subscriptions. Common partnerships include streaming services, music apps, fitness platforms, and productivity tools. Step 5. Select the free trial offer that interests you and read through the terms and conditions, including the trial duration and what happens when it ends. Step 6. Tap Claim Offer or Activate Trial to begin the enrollment process. You may be redirected to the partner service's website or kept within the original app. Step 7. Create an account with the partner service or link your existing account if you already have one. Some offers may require you to use the same email address as your primary app. Step 8. Complete the activation process and verify that your free trial has begun. The trial should activate immediately, giving you instant access to premium features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.